Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bomb Kitchen. Today I am going to share with you steamed prawns in the microwave, also known as chingri bhapa. This is quick and easy recipe and very tasty. Please stay with me and keep watching this video till the end, how I make it. For this recipe, here I have 6 pieces of prawns, about 350 grams. After cleaning the prawns, make sure to marinate with some lime juice and rest it for few minutes before you wash them. Half tablespoon yellow mustard and half tablespoon black mustard seeds. I have soaked them into lukewarm water for 10 minutes. Here I have some chopped ginger, about half tablespoon. 5 pieces of green chilies, 3 pieces green and 2 pieces red. Half cup shredded coconut. This is frozen coconut. If you want, you can use fresh coconut. Now I will grind them together to make a smooth paste. I am adding one by one all the ingredients. Black mustard seeds, yellow mustard seeds, green chilies, ginger. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon sugar. I am adding sugar because the black mustard seeds can be bitter, that's why. Now I am going to add coconut. We'll grind it again. Take a microwave safe bowl and pour this mixture into the bowl. Here I am taking 1/3 cup beaten yogurt, some mustard oil, 2 teaspoon. Now mix it well. If you like my recipe, please hit the like button. It will help my channel a lot. And try to make at home and let me know how you like this. Now we'll add the prawn pieces. Coat them very well. Now I am adding the remaining oil, 2 more teaspoon, and slitted green chilies. Now wrap this bowl with a plastic wrapper. Now allow to rest it for 10 minutes. Then the masala will go inside the prawns properly. After 10 minutes, we will keep it in the micro oven. It has been 10 minutes. I am going to keep it in the micro oven. Keep it in the oven for 5 minutes only. Let's check it. Wow, I am getting nice aroma. Wow, this looks yummy. Let's dish out. Serve it with hot rice. Hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.